Apple will buy U.S.-made chips from TSMC, confirms Tim Cook. So TSMC sets up shop in the U.S., sells you the U.S.-made chip, and everybody, politically that sounds fantastic. You employ some Americans. Apple CEO Tim Cook has made it clear that the company will source at least some of its chip supply from the still unfinished TSMC plant in Arizona. That was like when they're like, we're going to be making our computers in America. And then it's Donald Trump, Tim Cook, and they're in Texas, and there's like 17 Mac Pros. And they're like, yeah, we made them right here. And they're like, wait a second. What about all those MacBooks?
They're $14,000.
What about the like high volume units? Where are all of those? You're like, shut up.
Yeah.
We assembled 26 Mac Pros today. And that will happen here in Texas.
Yeah.
So Cook made the remarks at an internal meeting in Germany with Apple employees, ranging from engineering to retail employees. I will say this, by the way. Diversification when it comes to supply in general in 2022, when there's been this issue and that issue going on in the world, seems to be the way to do things. All joking aside, that you would not have all your eggs in one basket. Right? Am I right, Will?
Yeah, just like your portfolio.
That's correct. Yeah. All crypto all the time.
Oh, Jesus. Don't do that.
Doubling down. No, you remember. It's buy high, sell low. You realize this is a strategy here, not financial advice.
Yeah.
We've already made a decision to be buying out of a plant in Arizona, and this plant in Arizona starts up in 24. He means 2024. So we've got about 2 years ahead of us on that one, maybe a little less. Cook reportedly said at the meeting, according to Bloomberg, in Europe, I'm sure that we will also source from Europe as those plans become more apparent. So he's just saying, we're Apple. We got billions, trillions, whatever. We're going to figure out how to diversify our manufacturing and how to bring items, or at least a portion of the manufacturing, closer to the customers in that particular region. So in some cases, like in India, where there might be actually incentives to do so, moving around tariffs by employing locals and so forth. So I can imagine a variety of incentives that would aid in this particular transition. The labor pool in Arizona is also creating a challenge for TSMC. Intel already employs 12,000 people and seeks 3,000 more for its expanded facilities. TSMC will have to compete in an already low unemployment region when seeking talent for its new plant. So it's obviously not going to be easy to do, but I'm sure even for TSMC, there's some upside, because I don't know if you've been paying any attention to what's going on over there, that part of the world, but there's a little uneasiness, a little uncertainty, and I might just have to leave it at that.
Okay.